Hello students, today I am here to teach you chapter 14 from your EVS textbook, and the name of the chapter is Food from Plants and Animals. The main points that we will learn in this chapter are importance of food, food eaten in different regions, food from plants, food from animals, nutrients and balanced diet. First of all, let us learn about importance of food. Food is very important in our life. We cannot survive without food. We eat food to satisfy our hunger. Food keeps us healthy. Food helps in the growth of a body. We get energy from food which help us to work and play. There are two sources from which we get food, that is plants and animals. Most of our food comes from plants such as vegetables, rice, pulses, spices, etc. Food that are obtained from animals are meat, fish and egg. In India, people eat both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Vegetarian food includes food from plants and non-vegetarian food includes food that we get from animals. Now, let us move on to our next topic, that is food eaten in different regions. People in different regions eat different types of food. In North India, rice, roti, dal and vegetables are the main food items. Leaves of mustard plant, fenugreek plant, cabbage and potato plant are used as leafy vegetables in this region. The people of South and Northeast India mainly take food items made out of rice, as rice is the main food crop of these regions. People of South India mostly eat idli, dosa, etc. and that of Northeast India eat dal, leafy vegetables, fish and meat along with rice. In northeastern states of India, tender bamboo shoots are used for cooking. Dal, rice and vegetables are liked by the people of Jharkhand and Chota Nagpur. Litti and chokha are eaten by the people of Bihar. Sattu is another specialty of this region. Sattu is made up of different types of grams in its powdered form. The traditional foods of West Bengal are rice and fish. Sandesh, pitha and rasgulla are some of the famous sweets of West Bengal. Meat, fish and vegetables are common foods eaten by the people all over the world. Let us go to our next key point, that is food from plants. Almost all the parts of a plant are eaten as food. We eat the root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit and seeds of plants. Carrot, radish and beetroot are the roots that we eat. We also eat the roots of asparagus and their new shoots. There are many flowers that we eat, such as banana flower and drumstick flowers. Flower of bahunia and papaya are also cooked by many tribal communities of our country. We eat stems of plants such as ginger and potato, though they grow under the ground, but they are not roots, they are stems. Spinach, coriander, fenugreek, mustard, etc. are the leaves that we eat. We also use dry tea leaves for making tea. We eat different types of fruits such as mango, orange, grapes, apple, etc. The seeds that we eat are rice, wheat, peas, coffee, etc. Green grams, beans and peas are also seeds of plants. Some people eat by sprouting them and others eat by boiling them. They are good for our health. Now, let us go to our next key point, that is food from animals. We get varieties of food from animals. We get milk, meat, egg, etc. from animals. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. We get milk from cows, goats, camels and buffaloes. Mostly we drink cow's milk. It is consumed by people all over the world. Milk is a wholesome food. Goat milk is also consumed in some parts of the world. The people in the desert areas drink camel's milk. The people of Rajasthan and Arabian countries consume camel's milk and meat. Some people also consume buffalo milk. Although cow milk is consumed mostly, but the people in Kashmir, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan consume yak milk. Different types of food items are produced from milk such as cheese, butter, curd, etc. People eat the flesh of goat and hen. Different sea creatures such as fish, crab, snails, oysters and other shellfish are also consumed as food. So, these are the different types of food that we get from animals. Now, let us go to our last key point, that is nutrients and balanced diet. So, what is nutrients? The different substances by which food is made up of are called nutrients. There are different types of nutrients. Proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals are the nutrients present in our food. They have different roles. Proteins help in the growth of the body. Fats and carbohydrates provide energy to the body. Vitamins and minerals protect the body. Each of the nutrients has equal importance in our body. So, for a healthy body, our food should contain all these essential nutrients. Now, let's learn about balanced diet. So, what is a balanced diet? A diet containing all the essential nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. But balanced diet varies from people to people, as proteins help in the growth of a body. So, growing children need food that are rich in proteins. The food that contains proteins are pulses, wheat and eggs. Fats and carbohydrates provide energy. So, a person who does physical work needs food containing fats and carbohydrates. Milk is a complete food for a newborn baby. Junk food such as burgers, pizzas, colas, etc. are not good for our health. We should avoid eating junk food. Lastly, we should drink lots of water in a day, which is very important for a healthy body. So students, this is the end of the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. With this I wind up. Thank you and have a great time ahead.